bought me a new labeler for my Airbnb and most importantly for my vending machine. Oh my goodness, like y'all will be surprised what a major difference it is when you just see the amount on it right there. I'm telling you, people just be like, oh, let me spend my money. I'm like, yeah, give it to me. Okay, we're gonna do the smallest and least first. I'm really happy about this. So, I have a surprise that I want to share with you guys.
Money, hold up, gotta, cut up, lot of orders, dollars, quarters, wrist, water, reach, water, bitch, on a, wanna, come on, holla, hey, I'm a stunner, summer.
What's up, Wisdom family? Welcome or welcome back to my channel, Life with Wisdom. And today, I got some Amazon Prime packages. Y'all already know we have Prime Day come, and I didn't go too crazy. I just bought a couple random things, and I'm excited to open this one. I'm missing one more package. Amazon need to give me my stuff, but until that comes, let's open these packages. It's like all random stuff, like literally. Okay. Then toss me your face. Not supposed to use a towel or a rag to dry it. I've been real bad with that. You know what I'm saying? And so we got these for the low. I'm gonna put up on the screen somewhere in here how much I got it for. Yep. We're gonna start with the small stuff and then get to what I'm actually been waiting on. And I can't wait to share with you guys. Okay, yes, I'm very happy about this one. This one, it is a Dino Label Manager. So, fun fact about me, I run through labelers. I don't know why. They just go missing or something like that. And so I bought me a new labeler for my Airbnb and most importantly for my vending machine. Oh my goodness, like y'all will be surprised what a major difference it is when you just see the amount on it right there. I'm telling you, people just be like, oh, let me spend my money. I'm like, yeah, give it to me. Okay, so that's another one. I almost forgot what I bought for real. Okay, pretty quickly. Next, we have a blood pressure pulse monitor, whatever you call it. I need to take better care of my health, and I know there's a lot of y'all out there that feel me on that, and I have been dreading buying one of these, but I got it for the low. So I went ahead and started playing with my life and got one because I'm not about to have high blood pressure, okay? We don't do that. Okay. This. You see? Okay, so this most likely goes with this, and we'll get into that later on, what this is for. If some of y'all know, y'all know. I'm so excited, I'm getting to the major one. I honestly do not remember what this would be, but I'm sure I needed it for something, y'all. I did pretty good. At the end of it, I'm gonna show y'all how much I actually spent, and I think I did pretty good because I wanted to go crazy. I really wanted to go crazy with everything that I saw. But like I always talk about, saving money. So definitely gotta save some money. What is this, y'all? What is this? I really don't remember. Y'all, okay. So, if you follow me on Instagram, or if you see my shorts, you know that a couple months ago, I bought my dream car, 2023 Model 3 Tesla, and they charge an arm and a leg for the mats and stuff. And so I was not about to pay $200-300 for some darn mats. So Prime Day came and I saw them, and you see right here how much they are. I don't remember right now, but you see it, and I had to get them because I'm going to start decorating and, you know, putting the little finishing touches on my baby. And I'm gonna take y'all through their process too. I got my mats, y'all. Finally. Hey. Last but not least, I'm really happy about this. Okay, y'all. So, I have a surprise that I want to share with you guys. And this is like a little sneak peek. And I'm not going to say too much. Y'all gonna see it when it comes out. Oh my gosh. Yeah, record this. And it comes with a little shirt. Stop playing. Okay. OMG. Yes. Oh my. All right. Let me show y'all. Y'all gotta see this. Y'all look. They gave me a little practice shirt. Oh my goodness. Alright. I'm gonna put the thing that's saying. What does SpongeBob say? A few moments later. I will put that one on that. Okay. Y'all ready? Oh, this mama is heavy. Alright, y'all. This thing is heavy. Y'all, it is my press machine. I can press shirts, sweaters, hats, mugs, all of that. And I have always wanted to promote my clothing brand, and I am getting ready for, what is that, the fall? That's the fall, right? Well, definitely winter. It's definitely gonna be happening, and I'm gonna take you guys along with me, and we're gonna be making some videos on me working on this thing. Let me give y'all a close up. Come. Y'all look leaning. Y'all can't be leaning. Alright. I'm gonna be doing videos and trying this stuff out. They actually gave me a shirt. I actually have some products already from my vendor. Great vendor. I'm super excited to show you guys my designs. Super meaningful. Everything that I stand for, manifest in your life. And I'm so happy right now, y'all. I'm genuinely happy right now. I'm not gonna put this together with y'all right now because that's gonna be a whole ordeal. Yeah. In the video, I showed you guys this. This is like a little kit that helps me press my products and my materials and everything like that. So, yeah. I wonder if anybody commented by this time in the video and knew what this was before I even got here. That'd be dope. That's the end of the video. I'm super excited about my stuff. I can't wait for you guys to see my designs. Stay tuned for that. Don't forget to like this video if you like it, of course. And if not, that's cool. Subscribe to my channel. Either way, if you don't, just like, what are you doing? I'm so happy. Okay, comment, like, subscribe, share this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.